Imagine a computer that doesn't just follow the same old rules of computing, but instead taps into the very laws of physics to solve problems faster than anything we've ever seen before. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of quantum computing, a technology that has the potential to change everything. Today, we're breaking it down in the simplest terms possible, so you'll know exactly what quantum computing is and why it's such a game changer. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the basics. Classical computers, like the one you're watching this on, use bits. Think of bits as tiny switches. These bits can either be on or off, 1 or 0. All the tasks a computer does are just combinations of these ones and zeros. Whether you're sending an email, watching a video, or browsing the internet, it's all a series of on and off switches working in harmony. Now, quantum computers are something entirely different. Instead of using bits, they use something called qubits. Here's the key difference. While a classical bit is either 1 or 0, a qubit can be both 1 and 0 at the same time. It's kind of like spinning a coin. When it's spinning, it's not just heads or tails, it's in a superposition of both. But wait, what does that actually mean in practical terms? Well, imagine you're trying to solve a maze. A regular computer would check every possible path one by one until it finds the right solution. A quantum computer, however, can explore all the paths at once, thanks to this superposition, potentially solving the maze much faster. Let's bring it down to a more everyday example. Imagine you're at a bookstore. You know that one specific book you're looking for is hidden somewhere on one of the shelves. Now, a classical computer would start at the first shelf and check every book one by one until it finds the right one. But a quantum computer? It would essentially look at all the books at once and instantly find the one you need. This ability to process vast amounts of data simultaneously makes quantum computing incredibly powerful. And it's not just about faster internet or better video games. Quantum computing could help us solve some of the world's most complex problems. Think of drug discovery. Developing new medicines is like searching for a needle in a haystack. With a quantum computer, scientists could explore all the possible combinations of molecules at once, dramatically speeding up the process. Now, there's another mind-bending concept in quantum computing called entanglement. When qubits become entangled, their states are connected in such a way that even if they are far apart, the state of one qubit can instantly affect the state of another. It's as if you had two dice that, no matter how far apart they are, would always roll the same number at the exact same time. This could open up massive potential for things like secure communication and encryption. So, where is quantum computing being used today? Well, it's still in its early stages, but companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are already experimenting with quantum computers to tackle real-world problems. For example, Google made headlines when its quantum computer solved a problem in 200 seconds that would take a classical computer 10,000 years to solve. That's an insane difference. But it's not just about speed. Quantum computing could transform fields like climate modeling, where we need to analyze huge amounts of data to understand the impact of climate change, or in financial modeling, where businesses need to make predictions based on a vast array of possible outcomes. However, it's important to note that we're still at the beginning of this journey. Quantum computers are currently quite fragile and need extremely low temperatures to operate. But as technology advances, the hope is that quantum computing will become more practical and accessible. So, what does the future hold for quantum computing? Many experts believe it's going to revolutionize industries, from healthcare to cybersecurity to artificial intelligence. Quantum computing could enable breakthroughs we can't even imagine yet, helping us solve problems that are simply impossible for classical computers. But it's not going to happen overnight. We're still years, maybe even decades away from fully realizing quantum computing's potential. That being said, the groundwork is being laid, and each year brings us closer to a quantum-powered future. So, there you have it. A beginner's look at the fascinating world of quantum computing. While the technology is still developing, it's clear that quantum computers could dramatically change our world in the near future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to InfuseSmart for more deep dives into tech, AI, and beyond. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.